أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear friends, welcome to Idea Foundation Forum. Today in lecture 313, we will discuss darkness in deep sea and internal waves under the Qur'an and modern sciences. Darkness in deep sea and internal waves. In the context of oceanology, the Qur'an revealed miraculous information that as we go deeper in oceans, darkness goes on increasing layer by layer, and that like the surface waves, there exist internal waves due to variations of temperature, salinity and density as depth of oceans increases. This Quranic information revealed in the 7th century could be witnessed by science through its discoveries in the field of oceanology started in the late 19th century. Just imagine the advanced information given by the Qur'an, which has now been witnessed by science. In our discussion today, we will first look at the Quranic information on the said wonders of the nature, then explore the findings made by science through its recent discoveries employing the most sophisticated submarines, maritime tools and equipments and computer-based satellite technology, and finally then later on we will finally see how far these scientific findings are in conformity with the Quranic revelations on this account. So dear friends, let us begin by focusing on the facts revealed in verse 40 of Surah An-Nur, which says, أَوْ كَظُلُمَاتٍ فِي بَحْرٍ لُجِّيٍّ يَغْشَاهُ مَوْجٌ مِّن فَوْقِهِ مَوْجٌ مِّن فَوْقِهِ سَحَابٌ ظُلُمَاتٌ بَعْضُهَا فَوْقَ بَعْضٍ إِذَا أَخْرَجَ يَدَهُ لَمْ يَكَدْ يَرَاهَا وَمَنْ لَمْ يَجْعَلِ اللَّهُ لَهُ نُورًا فَمَا لَهُ مِن نُور. Let me translate. Or they means the disbelievers, or they are like darkness. These disbelievers are like darknesses within an unfathomable sea. What is unfathomable sea? Immeasurable, which can't be, imagined, measured, can't be, thought for, which is covered by waves, upon which are waves, over which are clouds, darknesses, some of them upon others. When one puts out his hand therein, in the internal waves, he can hardly see it. Even hand cannot be seen. And he to whom Allah has not granted light, for him there is no light. Analysis of the verse brings forth 5 important exposures, informations, revelations. Firstly, in continuation of the pathetic mindset of the disbelievers mentioned in various other verses of the Qur'an, here too the depth of their ignorance and stubbornness is compared with the sea having unsurmountable depths in layers. Secondly, the words zulumatin fi bahri lujji, reveal that darkness of a sea increases step by step as its depth increases. Zulumat is plural of zulma, which means depth. Thus, the word zulumat indicates multiple depths, one depth, then the next stages, or one depth after another. These depths reach to the extent that even one's own hand remains no more visible. Thirdly, the words Yaghshahu mawjun man fawqihi sahab reveal that the sea is covered by internal waves. One are upper waves, internal waves upon which are surface waves, which are covered by clouds. Clouds, surface waves, then internal waves. It means there are three barriers over the deep sea. Three barriers. It also indicates existence of internal waves in the deep sea discovered by science just in the 20th century, whereas it was revealed in the Qur'an in the 7th century. Just imagine the divinity of Qur'an. MashaAllah. Fourthly, the words Zulumatun baduha fawqun badu reveal that there are darkness over one another. There are multiple layers of darknesses. It means there are various levels of darkness. Fifthly, the words and he to whom Allah has not granted light, for him there is no light, have spiritual connotation that may be discussed at some other time. So, dear friends, now let us see what science has discovered since the 20th century. It was just in 1920 when echo-sounding method could be applied to measure the sea depths, one level, second level, third level. By 1958, as a result of several scientific studies, the man could arrive at some wonderful findings. For example, number one, sea is divided into two parts. The surface sea that is penetrated by solar energy and light. It means solar energy and light can reach to this part of the sea. And the other is the deep sea, where solar energy and light do not penetrate. Second, surface sea and deep sea are separated by internal waves. Internal waves divide the surface sea and the deep sea, and thus they differ in temperature. Both the sea, surface sea and deep sea, differ in temperature, density, pressure, volume of sunlight, and the creatures living in them, in the two parts of the sea. Internal waves were discovered in 1904, whereas the Quranic references is belonging to the 7th century. Internal waves were discovered in 1904, and they cover the deep sea and serve as boundary between the deep sea and the surface sea. Surface waves cover surface of the sea and serve as a boundary between the water and air in the atmosphere. Number 4, The deeper the sea, the more we go, the more depth of the sea it is, and by reaching the depth of 200 meters, the darkness takes over, it takes over, our visibility. However, the visibility entirely disappears. It starts reducing even after 20 meters and substantially up to 200 meters, but the visibility entirely disappears at the depth of about 1000 meters. From the depth of 200 meters, thermocline zone starts that separates the warm surface waters from the cold waters of the deep sea. In this zone, internal waves cover the cold water of the deeper sea. Internal waves. So, number 5, darkness gets more and more intense. Darkness gets more and more intense as a result of several layers of darkness topping one another because of two main factors. First factor is the darkness of the colors of the sunlight. Sunlight has 7 colors. Sunlight consists of 7 colors, which are red, orange, yellow, green, indigo, violet and blue. The penetration of light rays into water depends on its wavelength. Red color is absorbed at the depth of about 20 meters and disappears beyond that. Red color. Thus, there appears the darkness of the red color after 20 meters. At the depth of about 30 meters, the orange light is absorbed. Thus, it causes the darkness of the orange color under the darkness of the red color. Red color, 20 meter, then after 30, it's orange color becomes invisible. Likewise, yellow color is absorbed at the depth of about 50 meters. Green color is absorbed at the depth of about 100 meters. Violet and indigo colors are absorbed at the depth of about 125 meters. Blue color, the last one, endures till the depth of 200 meters. Thus, 7 layers of darkness of the colors of sunlight topped one another successively, absorbed at different depths starting from 20 meters till 200 meters. Number 6, the other factor, the color was the first cause. The other factor causing the layers of darkness are the 3 barriers of the sea, which are clouds, surface waves and internal waves. Surface of a deep sea is usually covered with clouds due to evaporation that causes partial obstruction of sunlight, seen as shadow of these clouds on the earth and sea surface. Sloping surfaces of surface sea waves also reflect sunlight. There are millions of organisms suspended on the surfaces of the internal waves that prevent light from penetrating into the deep sea. Thus, 3 layers of darkness occur from cloud, surface waves and internal waves. Taken together, there are 7 layers of darkness based on the colors of sunlight topping one another and 3 layers of darkness caused by the barriers of the sea. Barriers of the sea and colors of the sunlight. two types of factors. Dear friends, now if we compare the information revealed in Surah Nur, Ayat 40, with the recent scientific discoveries, we find amazing conformity between the two, a likeness. The verse says, the deep sea is covered by waves, upon which are waves, over which are clouds, which refers to internal waves, surface waves, and clouds. Matching information has been given by science, as we saw. Then the verse says, darkness, some of them upon others. Darknesses, some of them upon others, besides the three barriers of deep sea causing layers of darkness, there are several other layers of darkness which are topped one on another. The words Zulumatin fi bahrin lajijin reveal that darkness of a sea increases step by step, not once for all, in 7 layers, step by step as its depth increases. Zulumatin is plural of zulma, which means depth. Thus the word zulumat indicates multiple depths, topped on one another, one by one. These depths reach the level where even one's own hand remains no more visible. Science tells today that after the depth of 200 meters, 7 layers of darkness of the sunlight colors topped on one another successively absorb light at different depths in between 20 to 200 meters. Their darkening effect accumulated with the darkening effect of 3 barriers of deep sea turns the deep sea into complete darkness. 3 barriers and 7 sunlight colors. Living organisms and fish living in this pitch darkness of the deep sea depend on chemical energy to produce light with which to find their way. Some species are blind and use means other than eyesight to sense their surroundings. The words waves, upon which are waves, over which are clouds. In Arabic, yaghshahu mawjun man fawqihi mawjan man fawqihi sahab, clearly indicated existence of the internal waves in 7th century, whereas science could attain this level of intellect just in 20th century to witness this Quranic truth. Dear friends, it is a divinity of the Qur'an that it revealed precise information about the layers of darkness in the deep sea, the causes underlying their formation and stacking upon each other. It revealed existence of internal waves and also the role of surface and internal waves in creating the layers of darkness in the deep sea with manifest clarity 1500 years ago. Science, on the other hand, could start to know about these wonders of nature at the close of 19th century. We should be proud of the divinity of Qur'an. However, it needs to be noticed, especially by the Muslims, that understanding of the Qur'an grows with the growth of intellect, for which the Qur'an invites the man time and again, repeatedly. In Ayat 63 of Surah An-Nur, shown on the screen, the Qur'an indicates some connectivity of the winds with the layers of darkness of deep sea that invites our attention for deeper research on this subject. So, my dear friends, with this we conclude our discussion under lecture 313. Please do subscribe Idea Foundation YouTube channel to watch videos of previous lectures and join us for the noble cause. Thank you friends for participation. Allah Hafiz.